Okay, hey guys, we are going to be playing a Black Ops 3 Custom Zombies map. The theme is Tron, and it's made by IceGrenade, so shout out to him. We played it just a little bit, and the map looks really amazing. And we are playing with the famous Joe Trocious. Say hello.
Famous? What the hell?
Yeah, I don't know. So, alright,
Hello.
so let's get... You're like, hello. Alright, we'll get started.
I'm trying to remember IceGrenade's real name, and I can't remember it off the top of my head.
Oh, that's not his real name?
No.
Oh.
Believe it or not. First
Yeah.
name Ice, last name Grenade.
Yeah. Hey, you never know.
It's raining outside, so I apologize if everybody can hear that.
Oh, no, I can't hear that. Can hear the trains, though. The trains that go by your place.
Those are always nice.
So this looks absolutely incredible. Alright,
It's a
so
Tron shield.
Welcome to the grid. Pick up your identity disc.
Oh, the shield.
They call me the
piece.
director. It's my job to see you win the game.
Nice. That's awesome. I don't know who he got to do those voices.
Kind of sounds like him, to be honest.
Oh, does it? But what about the chick?
That I don't know.
Yeah, that is amazing.
I wonder if it gets bigger.
You may now advance to the next level.
Amazing.
Yeah, I'm out of there. It's actually not a bad idea, to be honest.
Look at this B-23.
Oh,
Ooh,
shit,
we're holding
you
this.
left. I didn't leave.
Oh.
Not a bad
There
idea if
you
I
go.
stayed here and you stayed there.
What? Okay, that's maybe. Yeah, maybe. I can try that. I'm gonna just run a circle in here. I'll get us some money. Whoops. 400. Nice. Okay, I have no zombies. That's awesome. The boots.
There, 15 more, and then I think it goes into the red room.
Okay.
Speed boost.
Nice. No kitty.
There we go.
What is going on? Is your cat meowing too?
You may now advance to the next
Oh
level.
God.
Fuck. Hold on.
Congratulations.
No
You
kitty.
made it this far. Don't stop now.
Ah. Oh, we can go. Get in. Oh my God, that is ridiculous. Oh my gosh, these cats are gonna
Oh
get
my
us killed.
God, I
The
live.
cats are gonna get us killed, dude. No, 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 no. Oh my God, nuke.
I live.
Get out of here.
Run.
Yeah. Okay. Are we Uzi or yeah? I'm gonna get the Uzi. Oh my
Man, I'm
gosh.
getting this and the Uzi. I'm getting them both.
Did you get the mini off of this? There we go. Oh, I like the Uzi, definitely.
The reload.
What do you have to
times are
do to
real.
your cat? Did you go choke him out?
Yeah. He just woke up, actually.
He was like freaking out. Okay, I do not want to die here. What? No.
Stay over here.
Yeah, maybe that's a good idea. Oh
It
my
seems to be
God.
going after you, so I'm fine with that.
Okay. I'll just run a train. Is that... Oh, that is amazing. Beautiful, beautiful.
Oh God, I didn't realize who you are. You shouldn't be here. Let's get you to safety.
Seems to be picking up, so that's
I am
good.
sorry, but I cannot stop the programs from spawning.
Oh.
Move fast.
Move
Get
fast.
to the bar and I
is that
can
what-
get you a
Oh,
hacked
I
identity
understand
disc.
now the zombies
With
are
this
called
disc, you
programs.
will be able to collect
it
the
now.
coordinates
Ah.
and use the portal.
Funny.
Oh. Portal, you must turn on the power. He's talking about how he's trying to help us.
I'm leaving that.
Welcome to the end of Lion Club.
Did you go?
Go see Jeff at the bar.
Did you go
to
back?
collect
Where'd you
the
go?
hacked identity disc.
Then go see Jeff at the bar.
Oh, that's cool.
I don't know where Jeff is, though.
Yeah, where is he?
Oh, right here.
Oh. What does he have for us?
A
We're about
hacked
to get...
identity.
This
We're
disc
about to
will
get...
allow you to download the external portal address. Find each data sync around the grid.
Oh my God. We need to get the hell out of here. This
No,
is
no, no,
bad.
no.
58 zombies. No, run, run, run. Don't die. I don't know enough about this area to know, like...
There's
Oh my
something down
God.
here. I'm just gonna keep running this way. It seems
Okay, you're
safe.
doing good. Yeah. Okay, okay, this is gonna help. There we go.
God,
Nice.
That was a dead end.
Let's get these guys down to,
I'm gonna get a gun. A real
to...
gun.
What is this gun right here? I'll take it. I'll take it. Is it good?
I'm
Oh, it is very good. Sounds awesome. Ah, this cat, stop kidding. You're stressing me out. Even worse. 41 zombies.
Like
oh my
1,000
gosh.
zombies everywhere.
I know. Oh my god. This is pretty intense, man. Oh no!
So one day I must turn on the power.
Okay,
first,
this.
the teleporter up here.
There we go. Yeah.
Really good.
Oh dear God, no! Don't
You're
die
gonna
on me
have
now.
company in about 5 seconds.
Oh God. Unlimited ammo is good. Please don't come from the right side. I cannot. I'm gonna save us. I'm gonna save us. I'm gonna try. One zombie. I'm coming to get you. Oh my freaking God. Where are you? Don't red screen. Where are you? Oh my God. Oh my God. Epic revive. How do we get out of here? Oh my gosh. Kidding. Seriously. Oh my gosh. Huh, yeah, leave that zombie. Let's look around here.
Teleport me back to red.
Oh, I found the power. Nice. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, let's get double tap.
Ooh, shit.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, there's speed. Where do we even go from here? Let's find the jug. I saw the jug. Let me see. Where is it? There it is. Nice.
I can't afford.
And speed. I'd give you some jolts if I could.
There's over there too. I think so.
I think so.
Remember. It was either
I
that or
can't believe we can remember that. Zombie!
What's this?
I will take whatever the hell this is. LSAT, yes! This is amazing. Where are you?
Left or right?
Oh, wow. What do you think?
Left.
Let's go left.
Oh god, I can't buy it.
Oh my god. I don't know. Can we go? What the hell did I just buy?
I don't know. I'm gonna go check it out.
Oh, you went.
Walk into it, it'll teleport you.
Is it bad? Is it bad? I hope this is good. It looks.
It's giving me vertigo almost instantly.
Oh, that's crazy. Oh, cool.
This is making me nauseous.
Whoa. Oh my god, because it's a little bit sideways.
I'm afraid the dropship got powered down at the end of this road. You're going to have to make it on foot.
Wow.
What the hell is that?
We can't. That's 2,500.
The MTAR?
This is awesome.
No, I think it's a one-way ticket.
Yeah, maybe.
It's a one-way ticket to Montego Bay. Alright, this is 2,500.
I've been there. Montego Bay is amazing. Yeah, buy this debris.
That's fucking random.
What? I've been there. It's Jamaica.
Fair enough.
Well, I don't know. This should be pretty crazy.
Right here are zombie spawns. So be
okay.
aware of that.
Let's hold it down here. I've got an LSAT with speed cola and double tap. I should be able to wreck. And
Those M4s.
Unlimited ammo.
oh, dude!
Not really unlimited ammo if I have to reload, is it?
Are you?
Just for you, huh?
Oh, really? Oh, okay. I'm gonna buy this for us. All right. Hopefully that wasn't a bad idea. Hey, it's kind of open down here. This is cool.
I like that the ACR is on the map. The ACR is awesome.
Oh, that's cool.
Shout. I'm gonna buy this.
Okay, cool.
3,000 points. Holy
I feel like I'm moving so slow. Did you get it? Yeah, you got it.
Ooh.
What is this? What is this?
He's using Harry's perks too, so that means PhD actually is worth something.
Syncing data to disk. That's cool. Whoa! I did not want to do that. Oh no!
What did you do?
Oh my gosh! I'm back in the bar. That's $6 grand to go to the other one. I can't teleport. Oh, yes, I can. Okay, I'm back.
I'm still back here in this area.
Yeah, I'm back now. This is cool.
You're back at the beginning?
No, I'm back in this, like... Oh my god, he's knocking stuff down. Kidding. He's losing it. I don't know.
Teleported me. I'm at the bar now as well.
Okay. The other one's 6,000, so... Oh my gosh. Okay, there's one zombie.
There's nowhere safe to hide. What is this? Link to pad.
Oh gosh.
Is there a pad down here?
This is a very intense map.
Don't
Do I
think
want the
anything.
Scar H? Heck yeah, that's awesome. Oh, zombie. I guess I'm gonna go back to the city or whatever.
Is it safer there?
Yeah, there's more room for sure. I can see there's the objective on the right that we're trying to do is fill up that disc. And let's see here. That's where we teleported in.
That is 6,000. I'll stay in this tunnel that goes straight before that, so it kind of splits.
Okay. Okay, go for it. You're gonna kill him.
See the little Tron disc is filling up?
Yeah. We gotta find the other ones.
67 zombies. My god.
Ooh. The
Godspeed.
Scar. Yeah, the frame rate kind of jumps a little bit when I try to ADS, but hopefully that won't get me killed. I'm really loving the Scar.
Got a minigun, so I'm satisfied.
Yeah, very nice.
Paranoid as hell that something's gonna spawn behind me though, even though it's not. I know it's not.
I should have got stamina up. I need it really bad. It's a lot. These guys are a lot faster than
I didn't know people
me.
actually
It feels
bought that
like.
perk.
What's that?
Stamina up. I didn't know people bought that perk.
Oh, I love stamina. Double tap and stamina are my favorite. I like to move. I don't want to be like feel like I'm slow. My major thing for zombies is to move. Like that's my defense. Is like I think I'm probably more like defense than offense when I play zombies. It's more just like stay the hell out of the way. What's up?
Save one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I have 2 problems.
I probably had to end this because my cat's losing his mind. I don't know what's going on.
Just let him play.
Yeah. I hear you, kitten. I know.
Alright, last 2 zombies are on me and they're crawlers, so
Okay.
should be good to come back out.
What do you want? What is it?
I have almost enough to open up that other door, but I don't have any.
Oh.
I have a jug and 1 gun that's almost empty. So it's up to you what you want to do.
Oh yeah. Let me see. I can't see anything. It's blocking the monitor. I'd like to keep playing, but I think I'm gonna have to end it because he's freaking out. At least, yeah. I don't know what's going on.